Kia Soul. Fuel filler lid. To open the fuel filler lid, pull the fuel filler lid opener inside the vehicle. If the lid does not open due to ice accumulation, lightly tap or push the lid to break the ice and release it, avoiding any prying. If needed, use an approved de-icer spray around the lid, avoid radiator antifreeze, or relocate the vehicle to a warmer area to allow the ice to melt naturally. Opening the fuel filler lid procedure. 1. Stop the engine. 2. To open the fuel filler lid, push the fuel filler lid opener button. 3. Pull open the fuel filler lid. 1. 4. To remove the cap, turn the fuel filler cap. 2. Counterclockwise. 5. Refuel as needed. Closing the fuel filler lid. 1. To install the cap, turn it clockwise until it clicks once. This indicates that the cap is securely tightened. 2. Close the fuel filler lid and push it in lightly, making sure that it is securely closed. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.